This video covers how to start an Airbnb business without owning a house, and you don't want to skip this video. Good news, if you're one of the thousands of people attempting to break into the vacation rental business, but don't currently have the funds to buy a home. Leading vacation rental software, IGMS, claims that owners of Airbnb businesses can make at least $100,000 annually without owning any real estate. Learn how to earn money using Airbnb without owning a home or any property at all in the sections below. 5 house alternatives to start an Airbnb business. How to start. As more visitors want for distinctive vacation experiences away from busy locations, the vacation rental market is rapidly changing. Many visitors are looking for deeper connections with nature and are drawn to new experiences to satisfy this need. In light of this, unconventional Airbnb accommodations, including yurts, tree houses, tents, RV camping, and cabins are growing in popularity. 1. Yurts. Cost $4,000 to $30,000. A yurt is a lightweight, spherical, felt-covered, wood-insulated tent. Yurts are simple to construct and have been used by Mongolians for thousands of years. They may even fit an entire family. A yurt can take anywhere from 30 minutes to 3 hours to erect, according to Field Mag. This is dependent on the size of the yurt and the help available. The majority of contemporary portable yurts can be set up or taken down in about an hour. 2. Tree houses. Cost $8,000 to $35,000. The time when tree houses served only as a place for neighborhood kids to hide out is long gone. With their ornate, fully furnished tree houses, Airbnb hosts and co-hosts are currently introducing a sense of youthful delight to the holiday rental sector. 3. Domes. Cost $10,000 to $50,000. A curved sort of construction is a dome. Since they are essentially translucent pods, they are an excellent choice if the site you have picked is well known for its mesmerizing dawn, sunset, or starry night sky. The Farley Group estimates that it could take up to 5 weeks to erect a huge dome. Good news if you are unable to construct a dome yourself. You can make life easier for yourself when launching a dome Airbnb rental business by purchasing a ready-made alternative. 4. RV camping. Cost $10,000 to $300,000. RV owners are increasingly using peer-to-peer rental marketplaces to rent out their adventure-loving vehicles in recent years. Because so many people are looking for inventive methods to have an uncommon traveling experience, RV camping may be a lucrative business. According to Mobile Irving, RV camping allows visitors to stay at various hotels, enabling them to organize a variety of activities that will likely bring strangers together. 5. Cabins. Cost $25,000 to $100,000. There has been a huge growth in demand for cabins, which is consistent with the popularity of RVing among people looking to move from city to city. Ironically, tens of thousands of tourists from all over the world desire to leave the city for a tranquil getaway. How to make money with Airbnb without owning property. Just like you can start an Airbnb business without a house, you can also make money with Airbnb without owning any property at all. Below, learn 3 ways to do just that. Start a rental arbitrage. You can generate cash flow through rental arbitrage without the hassles of homeownership. For $1,800 a month, for instance, you could rent an apartment. You could pay off your rent in just under 2 weeks if you rented the apartment on Airbnb for $140 per day. The remainder of the month's earnings is all pure profit. Become a co-host to an Airbnb host. Co-hosts have similar responsibilities as short-term rental property managers. The biggest difference between the two is that Airbnb property management companies may have to operate under specific real estate regulations. Become a short-term rental property manager. One of the most popular methods to make money on Airbnb is to become a manager of properties available for short-term rentals. A short-term rental manager provides services like marketing, checking the property, corresponding with visitors, confirming reservations, cleaning or hiring cleaners, and attending to visitors' requirements. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.